Hey Steven. So basically, if you want to add products to our ANC affiliates, where we do all our transactions from now on, basically what you're going to do is I'll make you a username. What you're going to do is you're going up to our taskbar, you're going to type in index.php/admin. That'll bring you to a login. I already entered my login credentials, so I'm good to go. Once you're here, you have a little dashboard. Don't worry about this loading. You're going to go over to Catalog, Manage Products. Here's our products so far. You just want to add a product. All our stuff is virtual because we're not going to be sending anything out. So we just click Virtual Product, Continue. Name, you can name whatever you want. So we're going to use example as our name. Description, I use the YSig editor because it makes automatically codes HTML for you, so don't have to worry about coding it all weird. So we're going to use example product, and we'll just do this. Okay, so we have an example of that. Submit it. Appears there with the HTML coding already in there, so you don't have to worry about it. Short description is you're going to want to include a little short description. I'll show you what each one is real fast. I'm going to click on basic web hosting 6 months. Product description right here, and this is the short description. This is the full description. So this description here will show up here, and this description here will show up here. So again, we're just going to use example product. SKU, just make something unique and original. Just use, so if you're using custom, just use like C, and say client's name is Ben B and then 1 or something like that. So we use CB1. Status, enable the product. Visibility, just leave alone. Go over here, price. Whatever you want to do for their price, enter it in. Don't worry about special price or any of these other things unless we have like a product we're going to use, but don't worry about any of that for now. You can skip over meta information. It's not really important for what we're doing. Images, you're just going to browse for an image. Don't think I have any images laying around. Actually, I do. Logo. And once it's here, you just click Upload File. Name the file, logo. Just select these 3 things so it shows up. Recurring profile. Do not ever do a recurring profile because it messes with the system. It can only be done with PayPal, and I hate PayPal, so don't worry about that. Design. Choose mag-free 1 for our design, or else it won't be formatted correctly. Inventory. Click No on Manage Stock because virtual items we can sell as many as we want. Categories, add to your categories to custom. Just use custom. If you add to this main one up here, it'll show on the home page, so don't worry about that. Just use custom. Related products, not really. Custom options, if you add, like, for instance, if you want their email address, you just type email. Input type will be a field. If it's additional price, don't worry about it. Is required. Area, sorry. Or you can use field, either or. Don't worry about this unless like you have additional options, like if they want 2-side printing, you put additional option 2-side printing. They say yes, it'll be an extra $10. So if they click yes, it'll be $10. But if you want someone's email address, we'll leave it like that. Just hit save. Something about price. Oh, tax class. Always use taxable goods. That means if they earn NJ, it'll tax them NJ tax. Otherwise, they're free of tax. Hit save. Here's the important part. You're going to System, Index Management, select all, re-index. For some reason, Magento, you have to index each time you add a new product. At least for our site. I don't know why. It's really stupid, but that's what happens. ANC Media Consulting, custom orders. And here's our little example. Here's here. See how it says email? So someone can type in my email address, and that will be in the order form so they can look at whatever options they want. Add to cart, and then they can fill it out from there. Alright, so that's basically how you add a product. And that's about it.